Hey guys, Aubrey from Drafted here to help you make your first referral. So how does this all work? Drafted matches people in your network to open jobs in your company with the help of machine learning. And the matches page is your home base for making referrals. Let's say your hiring team is asking for referrals for the 20 open roles at your company. All of those jobs are listed here with suggested referrals Drafted found for you to shuffle through. When you find someone you think is great, hit refer. When you click refer, a window will pop up for you to fill out as much information as you have about that person. When you make a referral, the person you are referring isn't notified by Drafted. The only people who are notified is your hiring team, and then they have the option to reach out to that candidate directly or ask you for an intro. So now it's time to get those referrals to your hiring team.